CT spell no drop, boy.
Peace and light, beautiful people. Thank you for sharing your time and energy in my space with me today. And on today's video of random recordings of things I like to do around the house, I am back with another cooking video. And today's recipe is gonna be all about brunch. Cause bitches love brunch, okay? It's me, I'm bitches. This is one of my favorite breakfast or brunch foods. You can't go wrong with some good quality eggs and home fries. So in addition to Huevos Rancheros, we also are making home fries, breakfast potatoes, whatever you like to call it. I'm just gonna run down the recipe list with you right quick so we can get right into it. Eggs, cheese. I'm using Mexican cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese your heart desires. Butter, salsa. The corn tostadas are back like they never left. A couple of potatoes for our home fries. I'm using a yellow onion, a yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper. And we can't forget the avocado. This goes on everything, does it not? It doesn't. But it's gonna go in this. This is a super quick, fast, fun, delicious meal. Very filling, less than 10 ingredients. Takes less than 30 minutes to make. Let's get into it. Now, I do like to peel my potatoes. You absolutely do not have to. I know some people like to eat potatoes with the skin on them. I am not one of those people. Honestly, they're fine either way. I just prefer mine peeled. Oh my God, this lipstick looks phenomenal. After we get those potatoes peeled, we're just gonna chop them up into a couple of squares. I have mine chopped. Just gonna go ahead and season them in the bowl to show you all the seasonings that I put in there. Pull random things out of the cabinet and they just work together, okay? That's just what I do. I just pull things out the cabinet and sprinkle them bad boys up on there, and it's just magic. Magic is created in this kitchen, okay? Some of the seasonings we're using: black pepper, Himalayan garlic salt, some cayenne pepper for spice, a little bit of chili powder, some ground cumin, and paprika. And in addition to our dry seasonings, we're also gonna be seasoning those home fries with our peppers and onions. So let me get those chopped up for you. Here is our beautiful array of chopped onions and peppers. Honestly, I'm adding all these variety peppers for aesthetic because they all kind of taste the same to me. I don't know if these peppers have different tastes to you all, but I just like to add color to my food. Cooking with color, can't go wrong. Okay, so we let our oil warm up for a couple of seconds and then we add our peppers and onions. We're gonna throw the potatoes in there as well so they can all cook at the same time. And let them fry for a few moments until the potato is soft. So a trick I learned for getting the seed or the pit up out of your avocado. Ooh, this is a big pit. You firmly plant your knife into the pit and twist it. Works like a charm every time. Honestly, the larger avocados are usually very easy for the pits to come out, but the smaller ones, it's literally the same concept. Keep practicing. Practice makes the master. If you don't already know this, a spoon is really great for scooping the avocado out of its shell. Ooh. This one is ripping a little bit, but that's okay. It's still gonna be delicious. Boop. Anyway, let's get these bad boys sliced up. So now we're gonna get into our Huevos Rancheros. I like to pop my tostadas in the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds just to warm them up a little bit. And I like to use fried eggs for my Huevos Rancheros. You can do scrambled if you want. I think fried is the best way to go about it. Delicious potatoes. rancheros, we can just pick on up and take a bite. Thank you once again for sharing your time and energy in my space with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this brunch video, and if you try this recipe at home, drop a line, send a smoke signal, a carrier pigeon, a message in a bottle, or a comment, and let me know how you enjoyed it. As always,